2, 1, go. Wow, throwing the ball in the hoop. Whoa, touchdown, 5 points. Well, hello, imposters, and welcome back to another The Imposter Cooper video. Today we will be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. Why am I so white? Let me get away. Hang on. Today I will be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And that's my boat. I built all by myself. Here, I'll even show you. Yeah, that's supposed to fall because it wasn't supposed to be in the boat. Let me just die real quick, and then I'll load it. And that proves that I built this all by myself, because you can only load what you built. You can't load what other people built, because it's cheating. Now, let me show. No, not hack. Yep, amazing. I'll do each one of these boats. We're starting out with amazing. The boat I literally just finished building. Yep, see, got some of the windows. Got a jetpack in there. Got a music note in there. And then we go down. And then I go in first person real quick. Got some seats, got a lantern there. Got an F something. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. We got this jetpack. It's already almost out of fuel. I'm joking. And then there's some balloons here. There's a little motor. But whenever I jump... Ah, dang it. I didn't save that. Here, let me just fix something on the boat real quick. Technical difficulties. Beep. You can fast forward 3 seconds. You can fast forward 6 seconds. 60 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Never mind, just fast forward 20 seconds. And then what we're going to do is amazing. Hit the save button. Now we go down here. Let me wait for the other people who went 60 seconds to catch up. No, I don't want to sit down in the seat. But it looks like when my Roblox character sits. His arm is outside of the thing. Now let's go and start up the engine. Let me just reload the boat. I win, you lose. Eat that, honey boos. Now, let's go up here and start up the boat. I can actually turn now. I had 1 motor before and I couldn't turn. Then I had 2 motors, still couldn't turn. Now I can turn with 3 motors. See? 1, 2, and then the third one's right down inside of the place. That was the red thing. Oh, turn. We're going down. Dum. I didn't put down the thing. I didn't put down the thing. That if I got to the treasure chest, it wouldn't have let me take in the treasure chest. You know why? Because I have to have one of each of these. 1, 2, 3. And for better luck, 1, 2, 3. And for better luck, and for better luck, just to be annoying. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Save mode. Oh, shoot. I gotta be inside the thing. No, it left me out. That's how I am at school, left out. I'm left out at school and there's no friends to do. There's nothing to do because I have no friends. And that's what I do. Wait, hang on. Oh, come on! You gotta be kidding me! I have to do that. And I did something. Bleepity bleep 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 bleep. Yes? Can I actually stay? Can I actually stay? Yep, I'm recording a video. Wait, my watch. Where is it? Oh, found it. Oh, sorry, Boomer. Found it. Oh, sorry, guys. I was talking to my dad. I'm still a child, 10-year-old child. I'm 10 now because February 22nd, you know that's the birthday days of Coopers. Wait. Actually, I shouldn't have said my birthday. Sorry. Act like you didn't hear anything. Act like you didn't hear anything. Nothing at all. Complete silence. Vince. Yes, I made it! Woo! I can grab that. I can just sit down here. Oh, something's going on. What's going on? No, wait, what? I need to build the walls higher. The blue walls higher. I shouldn't have said that. My birthday date. Sorry, Cooper Black. I said my birthday. Don't comment down below and don't say that to me. You can mention it, just don't say anything about it. People know where I live now, and that's not good because I could get robbed now. I'm dead. I shouldn't have said my birthday was February 22nd. Nope, I said it again. I'm completely dead. Hoi. That's always my word. I don't even know my phone number, so I don't think it was that bad if I said what my my birthday date. I've said longest mountain, I've said longest seas. I don't know what else she's. I don't know what she means. Oh, no, I don't know what she means. I need to build my wall of fire so I can block every night and see all over of the USA. USA, all the way. 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 Say yeah, USA is all the way. Wee. Now for my name. Cooper. What the heck is going on? I just want to write my name. That's right. That's right. That's right. Nope. Don't fall. Don't fall. Can't fall. Can't fall. Yeah. Oh, something's going on. Does that work? It worked! I'm sorry, whoever's landed the plot this is. I did not mean to do this. Yeah, just hit the tip. Now we go fast, fast, fast. Now we go fast, fast, fast. We go fast, fast, fast. Now we go fast, fast, fast. Yo, the guys on the leaderboard are immediately stopping. You can rewind it to see. Well, I'm over here in the flower section. Wow, what's a hemisphere? Hemisphere. If I die, actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do this boat, and this will be the end of the video. You know why? Because I barely have any storage on my new iPad. Because my parents bought me a wrong iPad, not the wrong iPad, but they bought me an iPad that has less storage than my other iPad. Because my other iPad, apparently the button wasn't working, so I couldn't do anything about it. I'm going in for the pins. Wait, wait, wait. Oh no, I don't think the balls like balloons. Oh no, here, maybe they like the balloons. Do you like balloons? They like the balloons! Oh, they don't like the balloons. That's why they're taking them. I'm going for this one. Yeah. That's right, I have a strike. Wait, hang on, am I making any money for getting the coins? Nope, still at 432. By the way, I spent most of my money on another, one of the motors. And they're destroying the motor, straight up. Anything on the inside broken yet? How is nothing broken on the inside yet? I wonder how that happened. The glass is broken, great. And so is when, how is the invincible thing broken? Like right here, in between these two blocks. How is that? Okay, well, I know it's not like invincible, but it's really hard to break. But how? Okay, I'm not gonna ask any more questions. Let's just continue on our journey. We're going on an adventure to see the U.S. culture. I wear a mask with a smile for hours at a time. Try chilling when I hold back for time. Okay, I'll stop singing now. I've never seen this one before. What the flip? Oh no, there's a wave. There's a tidal wave. Run. There's a tsunami. It's a tsunami. Ah! Oh my gosh! The tsunami flipped us. Alright, we have to go backwards. Stop it. Move. Thank you, my goog. No, I can't move. I have one motor left. Oh no, I'm dead. Oh no, the pufferfish are here. I hate this level so much. This level is the worst. Is this sucking blood from my head, this vessels? And why am I white? In real life, I'm actually the middle color. Except I'm not brown. I'm just not that white, but I'm mostly white. Actually, I'm gonna stop talking, because I don't know if that's right. Yeah, I'm just gonna act like I said nothing. Oh, we might actually make it to the end if my character doesn't jump. Don't press anything, Cooper. I'm leaving my iPad. Let's go pee. Hang on just a second. Okay, I'm back. What did I miss? Oh, we about, oh boy. Oh, Zooey Mama. Oh, we about to make it. Yay! Ah. I got that from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Oh, the pufferfish are still looking at me. Wait, I'm about to make it to the end. Do you know what that means, guys? It means I get another treasure chest. And if I die right here, I get all the money. So it's a win-win. I get more money if I die than if I would have gotten it to get to the treasure chest. Oh my gosh, we made it to the treasure chest! Yes, let's go. And that sewer slime thing that was in my other Build-A-Boat for treasure, that one didn't really work out. It was the hacked one. Now time to get out and run for your life, laddies. See that treasure chest in my eye of the tiger. We're going to the treasure chest. I swear if I die, yes! Let's go. I get that money in the back, in the funds, in the pack, and I'm not going nowhere because I'm too far in the sack. I'm floating. I was floating. I made it to the I got $150. I'm at 537. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Sorry. Oh, smash the subscribe button. Hit the like button down below. Please hit the subscribe button. Like, only the subscribe button. I don't care if you hit the like button. Just subscribe. Please. I need money to pay house rent. I'm 10. I need to get the money to my dad because he owns my account, but I came up with the YouTube channel and stuff, you know. I came up with the whole entire YouTube channel thing, and then he just signed me in and stuff. So just, the money goes straight to my dad so we can pay for the house rent, survive, and never die, and I can make posting these videos for you guys. Please subscribe and live and make me live. Thank you very much. I love you. Bye. Have a great life. Mwah. Butt on a stick, bum, 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 big.